Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Redmi Buds 5 Pro. When you take a look for the box, we can find some top features on the right side. That's actually the dual drivers, up to 52 decibels active noise cancellation, immersive sound with the two modes, the free mics and AI noise reduction for calls, dual device smart connection, and long battery life with charging case. So now let's get inside. Okay, there we go. And now at the first we can actually find our earbuds. There we go. That's how the case looks. It's actually made out of the plastic. At the bottom we can actually find the USB-C input. That's actually the button, probably the pairing and the reset button. At the top we can find, it's actually the indicator. It's quite a big indicator, that's nice. And inside we can find our earbuds. So that's how the case looks inside. From here we've got some foils that we have to actually remove to charge our earbuds. And that's actually the earbuds design. At the bottom we can find the charging pins, and right here we can find some information. It's actually the model number of this earbuds. Now let's see what we can also find in the box. On this side we can actually find the USB-C cable, and right here we can find the different rubbers. Yeah, we've got actually 4 sizes. So this one is actually medium. Here we can find a large, and that's actually small size. So we have 3 sizes, and also we can find some paperwork. Nothing interesting actually, but I have to mention for the unboxing. So yeah, and it looks like that we can actually connect them with some application. So let's quickly check this. Yeah, we can actually connect them with the Xiaomi earbuds application. It's available for the Android devices above 6.0 version and iOS 14 and above. So yeah, that's all. Quick unboxing of the Redmi Buds 5 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.